Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be trying out this Saviland beginner gel polish kit that I got from Amazon. I am going to be unboxing it first, which I did do in my last week's video, which was an Amazon nail supplies haul. But if you already watched that part, then you can just move on a little bit into the video, and then I will be doing swatches and a nail set using these products. So this kit is currently $23.99 on Amazon, but you can probably also get this same kit on the Saviland website. First thing in the box are these full cover coffin shaped nail tips, which I will be using later on in the video when I do the nail set. It does come in 10 different sizes, but I'm not exactly sure how many come in the container. They're definitely not the best quality of nail tips. They're a bit flimsy, but once you put gel polish on them, they should be strong enough. And they are thinner at the cuticle area and thicker on the free edge of the nail, which is what you want in a nail tip. So I think overall they're going to be okay, just not like the best quality ever. I would also say that they are average sizes. They don't run small, but they also don't run big. The next thing I got out of the box was this UV LED lamp, which does have some other things in it as well besides the lamp, so I will show you everything that is in this box. So first there are 2 files and 1 buffer. One file is more rough and then the other one is just a little bit more smooth, so you get a good variety. And of course we have the nail lamp. So this nail lamp, there's 4 different buttons. So the first one you can turn it on or off and just have it on for however long you need. And then there's a 5-second one, a 30-second one, and then a 60-second one. This nail lamp also has a bottom. It's magnetic at the bottom, so you can take it off if you want to. I thought that was really interesting because I've never had a nail lamp that has a bottom to it. And of course it comes with the cord to plug into the wall. The other items that came in the same box as the nail art are some of these nail polish removing wipes, some toe separators, a cuticle oil pen, a brush, a cuticle removing tool, 1 dotting tool, and then a cuticle pusher, and also a nail clipper and some nail glue. I do really appreciate it when kits include cuticle oil and nail glue because those are 2 things I use a lot. Now the last thing that came in the kit are 10 different gel polish colors, a base coat, a shiny top coat, and a matte top coat. And I will be swatching all of the colors. Now on to the nail set where I will be trying out some of the Saviland products I just showed you guys. And today I am just going to be doing some press-on nails. I did prep the full cover nail tips off camera. If you want to see that more in detail, I have plenty of videos on my channel where I do Gel X nails or press-on nails and show you how to prep the full cover nail tips so that they fit your natural nail perfectly. But I just basically filed down the sides so that they fit my natural nail. And as you can see, I did clip the nails because I didn't want them to be that long. And then just did some filing. And now, as you can see, I am applying the base coat. So first I'm going to take the red purple gel polish color and just paint that onto my thumbnail and my middle fingernail. And I did end up doing 2 coats for all of the colors on my nails. And honestly, I was really impressed with this gel polish. I just kind of thought it would be an okay gel polish, like not the best, not the worst, but I really did like this gel polish. I feel like it's a lot more pigmented than some other gel polishes that I've used, and it also applies really nicely. It's like smooth as butter, and yeah, I really liked it. It was super easy to use. And as you can see in these last few clips, I did use the cinnamon gel polish for the rest of the nails. Here I'm just doing the second coat on all of the nails, and then we'll get into the nail art. Now it is time for the nail art. So I'm first going to be taking that same burgundy color and just putting a little bit of that on a nail polish palette. And then I'm just going to take a detailing brush and kind of do like a V-shaped French tip, but without filling the French tip in. And then I'm also taking a sparkly gold gel polish. And this is the only gel polish I'm using that is not from the Saviland kit. This one is actually from Temu. And with that, I am just going to be doing the same exact thing I did with the burgundy gel polish, except just right above it, leaving a little bit of space in between. For the burgundy nail, super easy. I'm just taking some gold nail foil and just taking pieces of that and putting it kind of diagonal across the nail. And finally, the last nail I am doing nail art on, I'm going to be doing a plaid design, and I think it just turns out so cute. Definitely my favorite nail out of all of them. Now to finish off the press-on nails, I'm just taking the shiny top coat from Saviland and applying that to all of the nails, but don't leave yet. I am going to be showing you how I apply my press-on nails just really quickly, not super in detail, but just like a little tutorial. If you do want something more in detail on how to apply press-on nails, I do already have a video on that, so I will link that in the description box below. So I do like to push back my cuticles, so that is what I'm doing now, and I am also using all the tools that came in the kit. And then I am taking the buffer and buffing all of the nails, and then just brushing off that nail dust that came from buffing. And I am also taking one of the nail removing wipes because I'm assuming it does have acetone in it, which does dehydrate your nails. So instead of having to use a dehydrator, you can just use acetone, which is what I usually do. So I'm just taking one of those wipes and wiping down all of my nails. And then that is it for the prep. So now I'm just going to be taking the glue that came in the kit and applying all of the nails. I would rather have nail glue that has a brush with it, but this one still works okay. I just had to get used to it and just try my best not to get too much onto the nail, since I'm usually used to a brush, which is a lot easier, at least in my opinion. And for the last step, I am just taking the cuticle oil that came in the kit and applying that to all of my cuticles. I did enjoy using the Saviland gel polish kit. I really do like their gel polish, and I also love how this nail set turned out. It definitely reminds me of fall, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye!